Hello guys, welcome to WordPress. Today we are going to discuss how to set up bulk amounts of categories and add-ons by using WordPress. So let's first discuss about the categories. For that we need to go to our WordPress dashboard, then go to food items, then click categories. Then you need to set your category name. Then you need to set the required slot, or you can leave it as blank. It will set automatically as per the name. Okay. Then if you want to choose some parent category, then you can choose from the list. After that you need to give some descriptions here. After give all the required details, you need to click this button, add new food category. You can see the category is added. Okay. So as like this, you can add more categories one by one. Okay. So let's move to the add-on section. Here, if we are going to add some new add-ons, we need to first set the add-ons category name. Okay. So let me set the category, then slog. Then no need to select any parent category because we are going to set a new category. Okay. Then add some descriptions here. Okay. After that, you need to click add new add-on button. So now the parent category is added. Okay. Now we need to add the add-ons one by one. Okay. Then we need to choose the required parent add-on category. Then if you want to give some descriptions or leave it as blank. Okay. So one add-on is added. Okay. Another add-on is also added. Okay. So let me explain why the parent category is very important for the add-ons. Okay. Let me click the edit button here. Here you can see there are two more options are available. Okay. So let me explain what are the works of these options. Okay. So add-on selection type. This option is responsible for the add-ons selection type. If you will choose multiple items, then the customer will able to select multiple add-ons at a time. And if you will choose single item, then the customer will able to choose one add-on at a time. Okay. Then the another option is add-on quantity. It's coming from a extension which is add-on quantity extension, and that option is available under the parent category. Okay. Let's set the add-on price. By default the add-on price is 0. You can set the record price here. Okay. Okay. So add-on price also added. So that's it. In this way, you can add bulk amounts of categories and add-ons within minimum time. If you found this video helpful for you, please like and subscribe our channel for more updates. Thanks for watching.